Morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing my mum's eulogy in the morning, so I thought I would do a quick balance around connection of the brain, sort of just trying to calm down the nervous system. And I know many of us have been through similar things in the last few years. So I just hope if there's any grief or trauma or pain or even excitement, about an event, that this just helps you to keep your truth, keep your mind, keep your ability to stay calm under stress, speak your truth under stress, own the good, the bad, and the ugly under stress, let go of the old, welcome the new. So that's my intention for this, is to let go of any trauma and allow happiness and joy to be front and center for me tomorrow. That's what I need. I need my mum Joy to be front and center for me tomorrow. So that's my intention. Okay, part 2.